Alright, hello. So this is a quick walkthrough of how you can use Botpress with other large language models. We are going to be using Together.ai. It's the best for me. It's going to be the best for a lot of you. They give you $25 for free to just spend on tokens, and they are really cheap also. So yeah, you want to start out by hitting Start Building Now at Together.ai. You'll arrive at some page that would look something like this. Right here, it's kind of like a playground. You can test all of their models like this, and kind of like the settings, see what works best for you. So yeah, you want to hit your name right here, settings, go into API keys, and just copy this right here. Come into here and replace this API key right here with the new one. I'm going to leave this API key in here, so you can, like, kind of as an example of where your API key should be. You cannot use this. I will regenerate it, so this will not work anymore. But yeah, you get $25 for free, so the first a lot of messages will be free. I think, if I'm not mistaken, the most expensive one is $0.9. Yeah, $0.9 per 1 million tokens. And you get $25 for free. So that is a lot of tokens. That is yeah, that is a bit less than 28 million tokens. A bit less than 28 million tokens, which you can just use for free. And that is with the most expensive model, of course. There are cheaper models like $0.6, $0.2, $0.1 actually. So yeah. Now, quick walkthrough of what is going on here. This might be complete nonsense to you. This is the model. You can get the model from in here. Right now we are using Llama 270B chat from Meta, which is this one. Generally, chat models are better for like conversational purposes. These other models are, from my testing, they are not giving the same, like, it's not giving as good responses as the chat models. I'll recommend you to stick to the chat models for conversational purposes. If you decide to use them for coding purposes, of course the code models will give you the best responses. So yeah, feel free to play around with it and see what works best for you. Now, right now, I can just test this out. So just so you can get a quick look at how it would look. So we can ask something like, what is the capital of Hungary? Should say Budapest. Capital of Hungary is Budapest. That is correct. Now, the prompt right here is what we are getting from this raw input card. So workflow.prompt. We are saving it in that variable, and then we're passing it in right here. If you save it to another variable, change this up. Now, all of this might be complete nonsense to you. You can go into this. I'll leave a link for it, and just basically you can read about everything. You can click on it and you can see an example of what the input could look like, what the value could look like. So yeah. Now, what else do you have to know? Yeah, change the API key. Yeah, right now we are logging all of the tokens also. I just added that for you. This is just for like quality of life purposes. So when you're just testing, playing around with it, it's nice to see how many tokens were used with different interactions. When you're using this in production, you can just delete this. Don't really think there's a purpose for it anymore. So yeah, we are saving the response from the model in this variable right here, workflow.response, and yeah, same variable right here. Keep in mind, both of these variables should be of the type string. So yeah, and right here we're just printing out the response from the model. So yeah, I think the only thing that is left is just, yeah, I'll leave a link to the error codes also. So if you get like a error code 401 or 524, you'll know why you're getting it. So yeah, just for debugging. Yeah, I don't think I missed anything. If I did, let me know and I will help you out. But yeah.